Hello friends. Today we will review the DJI Osmo Action 4 together. Don't forget to support me by subscribing, turning on the notification bell, and liking the video. Subscribing would make me and my team happy. Now, let's start reviewing the DJI Osmo Action 4. Reviewing the DJI Osmo Action 4, a refined GoPro alternative with convenient mounting solutions. The DJI Osmo Action 4 emerges as a stellar choice in the action camera realm, offering compactness, durability, versatility, and notably enhanced image quality compared to its predecessor. With a slight increase in price, it squarely competes with GoPro's premium offerings, boasting superior magnetic mounts for hassle-free setup. This camera proves to be a delightful companion for various active pursuits and vlogging endeavors, earning our enthusiastic recommendation. Having cherished the DJI Osmo Action 3, the arrival of its successor, the DJI Osmo Action 4, echoes its design principles with a compact yet robust build, top-tier waterproofing, effortless magnetic mounting, detachable battery, and a convenient front touchscreen. What sets the Action 4 apart? DJI addresses the previous model's primary drawback, photo and video quality, by introducing a larger 1.3-inch sensor. For perspective, this sensor matches the one found in the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, a top-tier camera phone, offering approximately 25% more surface area than the Action 3's 1.7-inch sensor. Although the photo resolution slightly decreases to 10MP, video resolution remains at 4K up to 120 FPS, with an added 8x slow motion mode in Full HD. The combination of a larger sensor and similar resolution results in larger pixels, enhancing light absorption and ultimately improving image quality, particularly in low light conditions, a common challenge for action cameras, including the GoPro Hero 11 Black. Moreover, the inclusion of DJI's G-Log color profile with 10-bit color, coupled with the larger sensor, significantly elevates image quality, enhancing color depth and dynamic range. Notably, highlights and shadows maintain detail levels previously unattainable with the Action 3. However, the larger sensor does impact the minimum focus distance, increasing it from 0.3 meters to 0.4 meters, limiting close-up detail capture. Nonetheless, the rock-steady 3.0 plus stabilization remains highly effective, eliminating the need for a gimbal even during intense activities. Enhancements extend beyond image quality. The Action 4 boasts improved waterproofing, now reaching depths of 18 meters, and retains key features such as the magnetic mounting system, dual touchscreens, and user-friendly interface. Battery life remains a concern for heavy users, prompting consideration of the Adventure Combo for additional batteries and a charging hub. The included 1.5 meters extension rod proves a valuable accessory, expanding shooting possibilities with its drone-like perspectives. While lacking a record button on the extension rod, voice activation provides a reliable alternative for hands-free operation. As a versatile tool for both professional and recreational use, the Osmo Action 4 often outshines traditional mirrorless cameras, especially in adventurous scenarios. I would like to remind you that subscribing is free. Don't waste time, subscribe now. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Action 4 delivers an exceptional experience, blending innovation, convenience, and performance, making it a compelling choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. DJI Osmo Action 4, Design. Retaining much of the design language from its predecessor, the Osmo Action 3, the Osmo Action 4 presents familiar features alongside notable enhancements. Noteworthy among these is its exceptional magnetic mounting system and industry-leading waterproofing, now extending to depths of 18 meters. In terms of aesthetics and build, the Action 4 maintains the robust yet lightweight 145 grams body, accompanied by a removable 1770 mAh battery with a claimed lifespan of 160 minutes, albeit somewhat optimistic in real-world usage. Standard features include a microSD card slot, dual touchscreens, and a 12.7mm f/2.8 lens boasting a 155-degree field of view, ideal for vlogging and capturing action-packed scenes, complemented by the reliable rock-steady 3.0 plus image stabilization. Ensuring optimal lens protection and waterproof integrity, it's advisable to keep the lens protector attached at all times, which can be interchanged with ND filters for shooting in bright conditions. The camera's port doors, located on the left and right sides, are likewise sealed against water ingress, housing the USB-C port for charging and live connection, as well as the battery and microSD card slot. The base of the camera features a magnetic mount connector for landscape orientation, while an included protective frame facilitates vertical mounting in portrait orientation, catering to various shooting preferences. Both screens, a compact 1.4-inch front touchscreen and a larger 2.25-inch rear display, offer intuitive navigation and clear visibility, even underwater, providing seamless control and framing options. With minimal physical controls, including a sizable record button and power button, operation remains straightforward, even with gloved hands. Notably, the record button instantly activates video recording, streamlining spontaneous capture moments. DJI Osmo Action 4, Features and Performance. While the Action 4 excels in video capabilities, offering a range of modes such as slow motion, hyperlapse, and time-lapse, its still photography features may fall short of expectations for enthusiasts. Limited to 10MP resolution without advanced computational photography functions, it lacks modes commonly found in modern smartphones, such as portrait, night, or HDR. Nevertheless, the Action 4 compensates with a Pro mode for both photo and video, granting manual control over exposure parameters, including raw photo capture. Additionally, users can switch between ultra-wide and standard views, albeit with a resolution trade-off. Despite commendable battery life, extended video shooting demands additional batteries, prompting consideration of the Adventure Combo for added convenience. Overall, while the Action 4 prioritizes video performance, it offers sufficient versatility for creative control and adaptability in various shooting scenarios. DJI Osmo Action 4, Image and Video Capabilities. The Osmo Action 4 brings notable enhancements to both image and video quality, yet with some trade-offs to consider. Headlining its improvements is the adoption of a new 1.3-inch sensor, a significant upgrade over its predecessor. This larger sensor, approximately 25% bigger than the one in the Action 3, promises better image quality, particularly in low-light conditions where it excels in capturing finer details and richer colors, addressing a common weakness in action cameras. However, despite this advancement, the Action 4 doesn't increase its image resolution, maintaining a modest 10MP for stills. While suitable for viewing on smaller screens like tablets, larger displays may reveal the limitations of this resolution, especially when compared to competitors like the GoPro Hero 11 Black. Friends, if you value my efforts, please subscribe and activate the notification bell to stay informed about upcoming videos. Notably, the inclusion of DJI's D-Log color profile and support for 10-bit 4K video recording offers greater dynamic range and color depth, enhancing the overall visual experience. This improvement allows for more nuanced color grading in post-production, unlocking the full potential of the captured footage. Despite these strides, certain limitations persist. Both the Action 4 and its predecessor share a maximum video bitrate of 130 megabits per second, constrained by the use of microSD cards. Additionally, the camera's default auto-exposure settings, while generally adequate, may result in slightly underexposed footage, particularly in vlogging scenarios where face detection for exposure adjustment is absent. The decision to retain the ultra-wide lens with a 155-degree field of view remains appropriate for action-oriented content creation, though users may encounter challenges with the increased minimum focus distance of 0.4 meters, limiting close-up subject framing. Nonetheless, the Action 4 offers a range of video modes, including 4K 60p 10-bit video, 8x slow-motion Full HD video, time-lapse, and hyperlapse, catering to diverse creative needs. During these accelerated video sequences, the camera display conserves battery by automatically turning off, contributing to prolonged shooting sessions. In summary, while the Osmo Action 4 presents significant improvements in image and video quality over its predecessor, some compromises exist, notably in still image resolution and close-up focusing capabilities. However, its enhanced dynamic range, color depth, and versatile video modes make it a compelling choice for action enthusiasts and content creators alike. Thank you for watching the video. To stay updated on new releases, please subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. Liking the video and leaving a nice comment would make me and my team happy.